Still gotta have the heater on. It's a bit cold in here. Okay guys, let's change the oil on the Kubota BX 23S. No, 2380. Whatever. Not a sponsor. Okay. So we gotta heat this rig up. Whew, is it me or is it chilly out? Yes it is. Alright. Well, whatever. One genuine Kubota oil filter. Not very big. It's cold though. Got a bit of the old premium UDT in case we got to top anything up. And, oh, I bet this is a bit controversial. Deluxe wheel spinner. The guy at the Kubota dealer called it a suicide knob. You put it on your steering wheel. Makes it easier to turn the wheel. I'm down with that. I might save it for later though because moving all these logs and crap, my gloves are always muddy. So I don't want to get this all dirty and mucky before, you know, I've even had a chance to enjoy it. Here's the oil filter right here. Alright guys, I spared you a lot of the video of me struggling to get this stupid oil filter off. In a few more minutes you'll see how badly I had to mangle it to get it off, but holy crap, that thing was on tight. I struggled with that thing for a good 10-15 minutes. I had to go up to the hardware store, buy a different wrench, came back home, probably struggled with it for another 5-10 minutes. I just couldn't get a grip on it with the wrench I had. Finally it came loose. If you added the first round of struggling, going up to the store to buy a new wrench, coming home, the second round of struggling, I bet it took me altogether about 45 minutes to get that stupid filter off, but a lot of cursing and a lot of wasted time. It came off. There's the fill plug right here. That's where we dump the oil in. And right here, if I can get a shot of it, there's our dipstick. Ooh, burping. And if I remember right, the fill plug's under the tractor. And we'll figure out how to get to it in a sec. Came to the conclusion it'll be a lot easier to do this with the belly mower off. Plus, I want to clean it up and sharpen the blades anyway, so this gives me a good excuse to take it off. Okay, I think the oil drain plug bolt is 14 mil. Let's figure it out. There she is right there. Sure enough, it's 14 mil. There we go. Now let's see if we can get that oil filter off. Okay, I had to run up to Lordco and get a wrench for the oil filter. Holy crap, this piece of dump, $66. Wow. Alright. Okay guys, at this point the oil is all drained out, got the oil filter off, put the new one on, and I'm at the point where I'm just refilling the oil now. Funnel with me. Here's the old filter. I had to fight with it to get it off. That's why she looks a little mangled. Yeah, it's tight. The original filter, yeah, it's tight.